Have you ever opened your kitchen in the morning and felt instantly overwhelmed? Spices scattered, utensils out of place, crumbs everywhere. It feels like no matter how much you clean, the chaos always comes back. What if I told you that with a few simple DIY hacks, you could transform your kitchen into a tidy, organized space and keep it that way without spending hours? Today, I'll show you easy, practical solutions that make cleaning effortless and organization permanent. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another life-changing home hack. Hack number 1. Declutter first. The first step to a tidy kitchen isn't cleaning, it's decluttering. Go through your drawers, cabinets, and countertops. Remove items you never use, expired food, or extra gadgets taking up space. By reducing unnecessary items, you instantly create more room and make every other cleaning step easier. Think of it as clearing the canvas before painting. Once the clutter is gone, the organization process becomes simple and satisfying. Hack number 2. Create zones for everything. A tidy kitchen thrives on intentional organization. Assign specific zones for utensils, spices, cooking tools, and ingredients. Use drawer dividers for cutlery, jars for spices, and baskets for small gadgets. This way, everything has a home, and you'll know exactly where to find it. When items are consistently returned to their zones, your kitchen stays neat without constant effort. Hack number 3. Utilize vertical space. Counter space is precious, so don't let vertical space go to waste. Install hooks, racks, or magnetic strips on walls or inside cabinet doors to hang utensils, pots, or knives. Hanging items keeps counters clear and makes the kitchen feel bigger and less cluttered. Plus, it gives a professional look, like a smart, chef-ready kitchen. Hack number 4. DIY storage solutions. You don't need expensive organizers to keep your kitchen neat. Repurpose mason jars, baskets, or tins to store everything from grains to snacks to kitchen tools. Label them for extra clarity. For small items like baking supplies or packets, use jars or small containers. It's visually appealing and instantly cuts down on mess. Simple DIY storage hacks are both functional and decorative, giving your kitchen a fresh, organized vibe. Hack number 5. Quick daily clean habits. A tidy kitchen isn't built in one day. It's maintained daily. Take 5 minutes at the end of each day to wipe counters, put away dishes, and sweep crumbs. Small, consistent efforts prevent clutter from piling up. You'll notice that cleaning becomes easier over time, and the kitchen always feels ready for cooking or guests without a big effort. Hack number 6. Tackle the fridge and pantry. Even if your counters are clean, an overflowing fridge or pantry makes a kitchen feel chaotic. Remove expired items regularly, use clear containers for ingredients, and group items by type. Rotate older items to the front so nothing gets wasted. A tidy pantry and fridge make meal prep faster, reduce waste, and give your kitchen an organized, stress-free feel. The emotional side of a tidy kitchen. A clean kitchen isn't just about looks, it's about calm and control. When your space is organized, you feel less stressed, more productive, and ready to enjoy cooking. A tidy kitchen transforms your mindset, making daily routines feel lighter and more enjoyable. Every time you step in, you experience that small but powerful sense of peace. A quick recap. To recap, declutter first. Create zones for everything. Use vertical space wisely. DIY storage solutions. Maintain daily cleaning habits. Organize fridge and pantry. Keep cleaning tools handy. Follow these steps, and your kitchen won't just be clean. It will feel effortless, functional, and inviting every day. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss easy hacks that make your home life simpler and more enjoyable. Click this link to access to our free community, The Big Sweep. You'll get access to free articles about household cleaning and organization tips. Remember, a tidy kitchen isn't just a space, it's a mindset. Start today, and you'll thank yourself every time you cook.